everyone, my name is Badar-Uugan, but you can call me Batuk. I'm from Mongolia, I'm 13 years old. My hobbies are playing sports and playing piano. For today, I'm going to talk about speaking the English connects us to the world. World's second language is English. For today, why I choose to learn English? If people have English skills better than who don't know English, I like to study English and use it in the future. When I can speak English when I travel to another countries. Then you need to study English. If people don't know English, can't do anything in other countries. Understanding the importance of English will help you reach your goals. There are a few reasons you should keep to learning and practicing your English language. Thank you for listening to my speech.